Obi. This man. You don't know.
Hey! What type of plane is this?
You like what you see? You like what you see?
I need to be wise. Import and export.
Jesus, man, bring one blue.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Which can always be this one, huh?
Go and ask your grandfather.
See plenty money.
Be mumu. You think say they wise?
Jesus!
Don't be afraid. I mean you no harm.
What are you?
I'm a magic waste bin.
Magic waste bin? How is that even possible, sir?
It's none of your business. What is important now is that I can give you money for the rest of your life.
You can give me money for the rest of my life?
Yes, but on one condition.
I thought all this blood money and I must get condition. So what's the condition now?
Promise to keep me safe.
I should just keep you safe, that's the condition.
Yes.
I can do it now. I can do that. We have a deal.
Deal.
Brala, onyala. Brala, onyala. When you go get the sense, onyala. When you go have a sense, onyala. The way you dey waka, you too mumu. The way you move your head, dey mumu mumu. Brala, onyala. Brala, onyala. He dey claim wise oh, onyala. But he too mumu, yes he would onyala. Try make you get the sense yo, onyala. Your brain una battery reset, would onyala. It be like they come out to one call for your head. I been a two not they lose for your head. Your sense is there your belly, onyala. Brala, onyala.
This work where you dey do now, your mama no say you dey do am.
Oh my God! iPhone! And iPhones!
This man.
See money?
Yes.
Next 2 years now I'll go compete for president. Yes. Brother, the new president of Nigeria.
You say waiting.
70 years old man.
Stop there! Come here.
We like this sound though.
Now my school fees, so.
The Christian one.
What's it there?
Nah, nothing.
Now nothing.
Yes.
Hey! Bro, I know this guy. Oh! So now I be the guy where they carry waste bin around the palace, abi?
No.
What thing they so special about this waste bin, sef?
Now just ordinary waste bin, nah.
And that's what I know, Abi. Yeah, bring her.
No.
This man.
Okay, I go tell una wetin dey so special about this waste bin. But una go promise me say if I tell una finish, una go allow me and the waste bin go.
We go allow now go.
Okay. You see this waste wey dey see so? Na magic waste bin. If you put dirty inside, on opening it, you go see money.
They tell me say if I put this down inside, you go turn money.
Money?
You don't know.
Money?
You don't know why it's going on.
Bro, Omo, this waste bin, e go sweet well for inside our parlour.
I dey tell you.
Which parlour? Shebi na talk say una go give me the waste bin back now.
Come on. You dey choose. We dey talk. You dey talk. One collect.
Come on from here.
One collect.
Jesus, man, bring one blue.
I promise me, oh. And I trust steady people.
But we don't fail you.
You gotta trust man. Man, hard down.
Jesus! Jesus! What type of plane is this? This is plane.
It is that.
Sorry. Don't cry.
You're going to punish your papa.
God have mercy upon us.
Oswald, I'm here to see you.
I'm a babu.
You don't know why it's going on.
Thank you.
Hello. Would you like to watch a movie?
Movie? For where?
In my house.
Where your house be?
Over there.
Can I ask you that? When I get Tom and Jerry.
Yes, we do.
No while I'm a month ago, you don't get anybody in the house.
Sonyo Nyame is coming on stage.
God have mercy upon us.
What?
Really, nigga? Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
Ashawo.
My blood is not flowing again.
Tí wọ́n mọ mo wá nítorí Ọlọ́run mo lè jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ ìlú. 70 years old man.
I need to be wise.
You dey whine.
Something way bad for this.
I got the advice from a madman.
Belongs to your
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Man, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
I hope you don't mind if I pay for your items.
Sure you can.
Naija, they see you.
So, can I have your number?
You are bad guy.
I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend.
Yes, that's him.
He's
I know, babe. We'll see, okay?
I love you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Many months later. You ask you carry. Tell me say you go do my transfer if I reach you. Better do it for me.
Mama, give me shave.
My brother, what do you want back?
You get hair clearer.
Which one can't be hair clearer again?
Hair remover.
You don't get that one.
Mama, confess, I beg. Mama, I beg, give me she mistake.
Now that one they call hair clearer. Why you not tell me since now? Chinedu. Which shave is still where they say they shave armpits?
Jesus!
Take your shaving stick now. Take.
Oh! Calm down. Yeah, no, you have escaped. Calm down. You have escaped. Calm down. You have escaped. Calm down. You have escaped.
What be this? What be this?
What? Juju be
Run,
this man!
He shot you.